I'm Mr. Holzapfel. Y'all should know me by now. I'm principal. I hope you guys had a really great first day so far. How's it going so far? Excellent. I've been very impressed with your respect in the hallways, with you knowing and following the rules and expectations already. I've been very impressed with your excitement. St. Joseph's School is a rural oasis. Can everybody say a rural oasis? Of superior education.
Of superior education.
Blended with faith.
Blended with faith.
So what I wanted to say is I want to add 4 things to that. All right? That's student faith. Because above and all, and everything else at the end of the day, we're here because of God, right? That's the first thing. Student scholarship. When we're here every single day, what's our job as a student?
To learn.
To learn. Bingo. All right? Student leadership. Does anybody know what it means to be a leader? What does it mean to be a leader? Someone that other people look up to.
Being a good example.
Being a good example. All of those things are leadership. Okay? All of those things. And I want each and every one of you guys to be a leader. That's important. So finally, student service. You guys mentioned it. What does it mean if I say student service? What does it mean to serve other people? Next one.
Cheer them up if they're having a bad day.
Love that. If you see somebody having a bad day, grab them. Everybody has bad days, right?
Yeah.
Grab them. Say, hey, what's going on? What can I do for you? What can I help with? How many of you fell off your bike the first time, a couple times you tried to ride it? All right? So now let me ask you again. How many of you stopped riding a bike and quit? Whenever you fail, you should not look at it as an opportunity to quit. Just like riding a bike. When you fall, you get up. And that's what having a growth mindset means. Can you be better tomorrow than you were today? And the answer is always yes. Be present and respectful. All right? Be respectful not only of yourself, but of other people. All right? When you're here at school, I want you plugged in the whole time you're here. I know it's a long day. I know it's tiresome. And when you go home, if you're completely tired and you're fatigued, good. Because that means we're working on the brain ears. That's important for today. By the way, my 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, raise your hand, please. I want all of everybody to turn and look at them because those are your leaders right now. I told them this morning that I had the high expectation that they were role models for student faith, scholarship, leadership, and service. Ownership. I'm going to ask my leaders to start taking ownership of the building. I want to look at taking and creating some really colorful murals and paintings on our walls that represent our school. One of the things that everybody, I want to have a focus on is something called executive functioning skills. That means can you set goals for yourself?
Yes.
And monitor them. Like if you didn't meet your goal of getting better, what are you going to do about it?
Just get better.
Just get better. I love it. What if you set a goal for yourself and you did achieve it? What are you going to do about it?
Get better there.
Go ahead.
You celebrate.
Celebrate, very important. And make a new goal. I have really high expectations of all of you because I see great things in every one of you. Every single one of you can do great things. If they say, where do you go to school, Matt? What do I want you to say? I go to St. Joe. Because it's a rural oasis of superior education blended with faith.